It's time to clean your grill grates and you realize they're nasty. Well, today's video, I want to show you the cheapest and easiest way to clean them. Stick around and we'll get right into it. Hey, I'm Scott from Bartlow's Barbecue, and most likely you have purchased some type of grill cleaning accessory. I love innovation. I love new products that come out there. That's just kind of part of my personality. So I've bought a lot of different things, or different people have donated to me on the channel to test out. You know, you've got here from Sizzle Buddy, where you fill it up with water, you scrape it on one side with a razor, and then you got wire brushes. Very common one, where you have wire brushes and you're cleaning that off. But over time, these wires, you can even see them how they're fraying, eventually come off, and it could be hazardous to your cooking. So we can toss that. Doesn't mean it doesn't work, but is it the safest? Probably not. Then there's a new one called Grill Rescue. There's different brands like this where you have your grill grates and you got your grill on, no matter if it's gas, charcoal, or offset. You put this in water. These are created by a firefighter, and you scrub it down, and you also have got the edge to scrape things off. Honestly, it works great, but do you need to spend a lot of money on these things? No, you don't. And then this is for a cast iron skillet cleaner. So just as a reference, there's brushes out there for cleaning grill grates. The reality is, do you need all that stuff to be able to effectively clean your grill grates? No, you don't. Now, I like that stuff. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a comparison of some of the top grilling grate cleaning supplies and kind of a head-to-head. I would love to put that together if that would be helpful for you. But today's video is showing you how to do it effectively and affordably, and really the cheapest way. And you most likely have these things in your kitchen. So we're going to start with three ways to do this. The first one is foil. So we'll get a close-up here. All you got to do is take some foil, scrunch it together, and then I've got my Kamado Joe, and then I've got a pellet grill here. These grill grates would be probably most similar to what you might have no matter what kind of grill. The nice thing about this is you're able to take a dirty grill grate and put it on here, and the middle here is really dirty. I'll try to get a zoomed in picture, and then as you press down, these are going to begin to form, you can already see it, two little forms to the grill grate, so it's starting to effectively clean all the crud. We even had some things come off, and this is that simple. You can see how it begins to form in the shape of your grill grate and how some of that crud is coming off. This is the first and most affordable way, because you most likely have foil, and then we just scrub down. We're going to come over here on the Kamado Joe, do it in the same thing, and you're just going to come and hold this down, and you can stay 30 seconds on one section until you start seeing some daylight, and this effectively starts just getting that crud off your grill grate. Really effective. All right, so you can see we were able to effectively clean both the Kamado Joe grill grates, which I focused on, and then a portion of the Z-Grills grates. Because the next step, I want to show you a lot of the work that we're going to be doing on the Z-Grills on the next step. So again, it's super effective, it's cheap, it really does the job. And now, just a caveat, you can do all three steps that we're going to show you today as just the affordable and easy way of doing this. So that's the first way. The second way is taking an onion. This is kind of a classic old school method. Most likely you have an onion at home, cut it in half, even score it on the other side so that you can actually get in between the grill grates. You're gonna kind of cup it like this, and then we are gonna just literally take this in there. And also you can throw this in, if you have a charcoal grill, when you're done, you can just throw this in. It's gonna give it that nice little onion and charcoal flavor. So you can literally just kind of put some pressure on there and just go backwards, very similar to the foil, and eventually it's gonna allow us to really get some of this junk off. And there you have it. We've cleaned the grill grates with the onion. You can see all the grease the indentation marks that it makes when you're cleaning it. Just another tool in your tool belt. If you're like, I don't have the the ability to buy a nice grill cleaner, you have this stuff in your house most likely. Foil your onion, clean it. Now we're going to move on to the last step on how to clean your grill grates, and it's really simple. And this is one I think is going to be your favorite. Most people comment this is the easiest way to do it, and it literally is firing up your grill and getting it up to 300, 400, maybe even 500 degrees, and allow that heat to burn off all the crud. And then from there, you could also repeat this process with the foil and also the onion one more time. And you got yourself a clean grill. So I'm gonna fire these bad boys up and allow this to cook off anything else I wasn't able to get. I've got some foil in this pellet grill that I'll be able to foil up at the bottom, all the junk that falls off, and then you're ready to cook for your next cookout. Now, a bonus tip is on the outside of your grill, you could just take some warm soapy water, get a damp washcloth, and simply wipe it down, kind of make it look good for the next cookout. Most barbecue enthusiasts don't care about this, although some that are kind of A personalities will definitely keep their grills nice and clean. But that's all you got to do as far as keeping it dust free. Use a cover if you have it when you're not in use or from the weather elements, and you are good to go. And I will say, on a Kamado Joe, if you want to learn how to clean the ceramic, I've got a video up here for you to check out, and the best practices all on cleaning a ceramic grill. Check that out here. But outside of that, we are clean and ready to go. Well, I hope you found value in today's video. If so, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for all your barbecue tips. And I really hope today's video showing you the most affordable and cheapest way to clean your grill grates was helpful for you. Be sure to put in the comments which part was helpful to you and any questions you may have. From my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.